I'm going on a bike right now, and it's around a little away from Sapa. So today it's sunny, so I thought I'm gonna go for a bike ride. Let's see. Oh! Nothing feels better than riding in the mountains. Cold weather, beautiful view, you riding alone. Yeah. Wait. I have done road trips in almost all the cities that I have visited in Vietnam, and Sapa is one of my favorite places to do a road trip. I mean, the mountains are so beautiful, but I think during September it's the best time to do it because you see crazy view. It's not foggy, it's sunny. This looks so beautiful. We're gonna go there. Looks so beautiful. Yeah, it looks so pretty. Oh, the weather seems to be chilly right now. I think we're gonna reach some village. I have no idea. This is the first time I'm riding this side. In Sapa, I did ride motorbike a lot of times, but most of the time it was towards the China border. I've been to China border, I think 2 or 3 times, and both all the 3 times at different sides of the border. Okay, so we are entering a village now. Probably gonna find some coffee shops. I love this about Vietnam. I mean, you see flags all around. Oh, I'm craving coffee right now. I just had one cup of coffee in the morning before leaving, and now I have not had anything, and I don't see any cafe. Alright, please, just a little. So here we can find some coffee shops. I'm craving coffee so badly right now. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I saw a few coffee shops, but all of them were closed. Oh my. Okay, so just found a coffee shop. I'm gonna have coffee now. So we just found a coffee shop and having iced coffee. That looks like a pretty big shop. Finally having coffee. I'm feeling so happy right now. Iced coffee, no sugar. We just got this coffee. Looks nice. And with the coffee, it was not that good, but that's okay. We'll head now to our destination. Wow, the markets are lit everywhere, all ready for tech. So we just got out of the city and we back. Feeling good after drinking coffee. Ah, it looks so pretty. Just saw this pagoda on the way, so I just thought to go inside. Wow, it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Wow. I think it's been decorated for death. So I'm going down the other stairs, other way. It looks so beautiful.
I'm feeling very hungry right now, so if I see a restaurant, probably gonna stop there. Oh, I need a coffee too.
No. Just stopped at a small store, just having corn. Super hungry. That's black coffee. Did not eat anything since breakfast. Just had coffee once in the afternoon. Super hungry. And there's no restaurant around here. Just done with the meal, and I'm gonna leave now. Probably will reach in 2 hours. See. Something tells me it's the one. You can say that I'm running out of the petrol right now. We need to find a petrol pump soon. Jesus Christ. I still have 70 kilometers left. Okay, closed. Very good. Okay, we got the petrol now. We have 65 more kilometers. Let's see, can we go or not? And we still have 60 kilometers left. Oh, it's getting chilly. Yeah, it's so lighting now. It's getting colder, and I'm still 50 kilometers away from my home state. I think it's going to take almost 90 to 100 more minutes. This one. Finally. So that was a good ride today. Calling it for the day. Thank you.